Namaskara, I am your Dr. Kishan Chandra. Today I want to discuss about liquid waste decomposer, or we can say the Taral waste decomposer used in onion. So onion crop, we all know, not only onion, whatever the crop we are growing below the soil, that all needs very soft soil. So without soft soil, it is difficult to get a good yield. So this liquid waste decomposer, when you are multiplying, we all know how to multiply it. One single bottle is enough to multiply lakhs of liter of your solution, and process is continue. Again I do it. Process is continue. Continue means once you have multiplied, you have taken one bottle, as I told, 100 liter water. Always keep in your plastic drum or in earthen pot, not in cemented bag or cemented your pond. If it is a cemented pot, please make one tarpaulin layer, polythene layer, so that it will not erode your cement. And we have seen from last 7-8 years, when you are using the cement tank, the solution turn into black color. Although it is useful, but it will not last longer. For the lifelong, as we are claiming, and it has proved from last 7 years, once waste decompose, you multiply, keep it mother culture, you can multiply it continuously, years to years. Depends upon your water quantity, depend upon your jaggery, and how you are keeping, how you are multiplying. That is, all factors are involved. But if you are doing in proper way, certainly it can be multiplied and strength will get same. It is some confusion, and some people tell the general things, but it is not with our cow bacteria. It is a special type of bacteria, and it is very last bacteria. When you are multiplying it, so it will last longer. And at the same time, in this liquid solution, we have especially injected some bacteria which kills all the pathogens and our other unwanted bacteria, but is already present in the soil, present in the water. That's why multiplication is good, and continuously you can do it. So we all know 100 liter water, 1 kg jaggery, when you have multiplied, you keep it one place. If it is not 100 liter, if you have a small area, you can take 20 liter water, 10 liter water. Accordingly, you can reduce the jaggery. 100 liter water, 1 kg jaggery. You have taken 10 liter, it means 100 gram jaggery. 220 liter water, 200 gram jaggery. It is not hard and fast rule. You keep it exact. It is approximately 100 gram, 110 gram, 105 gram, 90 gram. It will multiply. But not excess is not good, because that will invite your insect and pest. So once you have multiplied, you keep it for the mother culture, and from there you can take some solution, 1 liter, 2 liter, 3 liter, depends upon your multiplication and fast multiplication. If you are taking more quantity, it will multiply quickly. If you are taking less, it will take some more time, but it will multiply. And multiplication, once you have multiplied, again you can take the mother culture from others and continue the process. So in the onion crop, what I am discussing you, it needs to prepare first micronutrient. Micronutrient, as I told, you take three types of oil seeds, 2 types of oil seed, 3 types of oil seed, or your more, it is up to you, and then pulses. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, up to you, as many as you can put, whatever available in your area. You take the same 2 kg of each and grind it nicely. Suppose you have taken 5 types of pulse and oil seed, grind it. And if you take it more, you can take it up. It is up to you. As much you are taking, concentration will be increased. Your micronutrient availability will increase. When you are going for testing in the laboratory, you will find your nutrition will, your enzyme, this content will be more. That is the only difference. But 2 kg what I have suggested, it is ideal for the crop, but you can put more. Then nails, 11 nails, your iron nails, then 100 gram your copper, wire or copper pot, whatever waste pot is it that you can put. Then zinc plate or zinc oxide you can put. Then boric acid. Why boric acid? Because boric acid doesn't allow the crack of your product, means fruits. It will not allow the crack and your, because when we are using this total technology, size is going to increase. So for size increasing, boric acid if you are putting, it will not crack. It will allow simply to increase the product and you will get the good your fruits. That's why boric acid also good. If any other thing you have, you can put it. So it is organically. These all are organic. So this is micronutrient you prepare. Then you prepare this leaf extract for the disease control. All types of leaf which animals do not eat, that you take it. You take it 3 kg, 4 kg and just grind it. 1 kg, 2 kg. As many as leaves you can take, you can put in liquid waste decomposer. Reminded, when you are preparing this leaf extract, solution what you have multiplied, it must be 30 days old. 30 days old means its pH will come down, acidity will be increased, your organic acid will be high. So that works in the extraction of your juice, extraction of your nutrient, extraction of your enzymes. That's why I'm telling it should be acidic media. So acidic media which where you will get, it is from your old liquid waste decomposed where you have multiplied 30 days back. You can see the pH. pH will be always below 6. As much as less pH, it is good. That indicates it is a lot of organic acid are present inside. So that you have to take it and put all the leaves, grinded leaves inside and keep it for 10 days. It is ready, but you can keep it 21 days, and this can be used years to years. As much as you require, you take it and keep it. Again, you use it. Then leaves extract is over, micronutrient is over. Now stone, your different type of stones that you have to keep, as many as stones, and put this liquid waste decomposer, old 30 days old, and upside. Then after 10 days, you take it from bottom side, this solution. You will find all nutrition will be present. Mainly elements will be very high. These 3 things. Then prom you have to make. Now prom, what I told, phosphorus rich organic matter. So phosphate where you are getting, so lot of people are complaining they are not getting this rock phosphate. So when you are not getting rock phosphate, so you take a bone meal, bone powder. Bone powder contains 60% your phosphate. It is very high. In other things, it is less. If you are not getting both the things, you can take the pressment. That also contains your phosphorus, but less. But that will also work when it is no alternate. These are 3 things are from the phosphorus source. Then potassium source you can take. Potassium source is your sugarcane itself. When you burn the sugarcane stems in the sugar mill, there all the ash is there. That ash contains your 14% potassium. So that you can take potassium as such. So that ash of sugarcane, leaves also contains, you can decompose the leaf also, everything you can put it. So then you make about 10 tons of material. So how you can make it? You can take first your rock phosphate, about 3 tons. Any rock, if rock phosphate is not a bone meal, you can take a reduce it 2 tons. If it is a press mud, you take a 5 tons. If it is any other source material, you take a accordingly as per the percentage, doesn't matter because it will give you the value of the phosphorus. Then potassium, it is 14%. You can take a 2 tons of this your ash content, that also you mix it. Then gypsum, that you can take a 1 ton, it is available. Then you take your cow dung. If you have a cow dung, buffalo dung or any dung, you take 2 tons inside. So this all has came nicely. Then any other source, suppose in Maharashtra it is lot of banana your peels are available. That banana peels also you can take. Banana is a good source of your potassium as well as magnesium. So any material which is a good source, you can take it, or you can take a fresh vegetable market. There's a lot of waste they are throwing. That also you can take it. You mix it here. So keep it all, mix it 10 tons, and you have mixed everything. Now you pour the liquid waste decomposer on it. First you pour it. If you are able to turn it at 7 days. If you are not, just pour it, and at 15 days again you wet it with the liquid waste decomposer. After second pouring with the liquid waste decomposer, when you are going for the 25 days, you mix at least 300 liter of your micronutrient, what you have prepared. Then again 300 liter of stone element. Then again 300 liter of all leaves extract. This all you have to mix it, and when it will be ready in 40 days, you will see very good decomposition. Black color will come. You can test it. If you are testing, you are able to get it exact value. What is the NPK, micronutrient present inside? Accordingly, you can use in your this onion crops. So this is very high. I can tell you one thing very especially, because this all contains your organic carbon. So when organic carbon is already there, so this nutrition whatever is present here, suppose it is present 3% or 4%, you can multiply to 5 times. Suppose 5% multiplied by 5, we need 25%. It means it will work like a 25% of nitrogen, 25% of phosphorus, 25% of potassium, because it is high content of carbon. Carbon source, if it is there, so 1% carbon source present in there, it increase the uptake of 9% of the nutrition. So that is a simple calculation. So don't compare with the chemical fertilizers. It is contains 46%, contains your 20% or more. So you concentrate on then, make a carbon rich organic manure with nutrition value and other value. So that uptake will be increased, and it will give you better results than any other chemicals. Do it and see the magic. And for the chemical fertilizers, you can people who is doing the chemical farming, they can take simple SSP. SSP, it contains your single super phosphorus, sulfur also. Whatever percentage present inside, when you are mixing with your compost or your cow dung or your any dung, or you are mixing with the at least one thing more, you can put it always with the SSP, 2 tons of about this cakes, any cake. If you are making 10 tons, then 2 tons. If it is less than 200 kg, you can take. It is up to you how much you are putting, as that value you will get it. So this all things when you are mixing it, so it is a prong rich with nitrogen, phosphorus, potash. This you have to take, put it in the field 5 tons per acre in onion field. That is must. because when nutrition is there, all the things are available. When you have decomposed with the liquid waste decomposer, there is no harm of any nutrition. It will increase the nutrition. It will increase the organic carbon 20% than others. It has no evaporation. It is less your gas exchange. It is less your carbon dioxide emission. It is always cold process with the help of enzyme. That's why it will give you high value, nutrition value. You will get the black color. You will get the just like your tea powder that you are going to get it with this compost. That is a prong and enriched with your potassium, and with nutrition. Everything is there. So 5 ton is enough. So this you have to use it when you are transplanting the onion. Onion crop, how to transplant? That you have to, plantation you take it, dip it in the stone, take a 1:1 ratio. Suppose you have taken 10 liter of stone solution, 10 liter of your this micronutrient, and put some water because it is a solution is old, so pH should be about 6 and above, 6 to 7, 7.5. And if you are taking 30 days old, it will be highly acidic. It may burn your plants. So that's why you have to make it diluted 50%, 1:1 you take it. 10 liter micronutrient, 10 liter your this leaf extract, 10 liter your stone element, 30 liter, and rest you put the water. So it is ready. And dip this, you are seedling, minimum 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, no harm, and then sow it. Now in the fields, you have to maintain it. Minimum 3000 liter of liquid waste decomposer must go in the field, every irrigation. As much as you are putting, it will benefit. But 3000 liter waste, liquid waste decomposer, 300 liter micronutrient, 300 liter your stone element, 300 liter your leaf extract. All together you have to mix it. Besides prong and other your goat, I have told, goat your drops that you make a manure, liquid manure, whatever you are making, everything you have to put in the field. So when you are passing this 3000 liter with 900 liter this micronutrient, and all together it is 3900. So 3900 every time, your soil become porous. Your water holding capacity will increase. Your soil became so soft, it will allow the development of the roots. Roots will be more. So when roots are more, when your soil is soft, then your fruit size, whatever the onion is you have planted, it will easy to expand. When you are expanding, there is no pressure. You will see it will take a good shape. Size will increase, and as roots are more, uptake will increase. So its size will be increased. That's whatever we have a target of minimum 1 kg of one onion. So that can be achieved with this process. So every time you have to give liquid waste decomposer, 3000 liter liquid waste decomposer, 300 liter micronutrient, 300 liter your this leaf extract, 300 liter stone, all together you have to give. So it is a thumb rule. Every time you have to do it. So when you are doing it this, you'll see the changes in the crop, and spray it. Micronutrient, stone element, spray as much as you can spray. It is 30% spray is enough. 30% solution every time you can put. Even 50% also put. If it is fresh culture, you can put 100%. Fresh culture means below 10 days, below 15 days solution, you can spray 100%. And when you are planting it, keep it in your mind. Give the more gap so that onion, when it is increasing a size, it will accommodate. Lot of people has sent me the photographs when they are doing this total practices, and they have found size of the onion is increasing. It is going beyond some some fruits of half kg. So that is a good indication. You can achieve 1 kg of onion easily with the total practices. And some other practices I have shown in my videos, that enzymes, preparation of enzyme with your seeds, that also you can do. Amrit mitti, that also you can use. Everything if you just calculate it in the soil and put it as a spray. One spray minimum of the other enzymes is essential for any crop. So if you are doing 2 sprays, that is good. If you have a deep irrigation, to keep it flow of this waste decompose every time with the water. Don't give a single drop of water without waste decomposer. Then you see the magical change. Single drop of waste decomposer water means you have to all the things, micronutrient, your stone elements, your this leaf excrement, everything all together I'm talking. All together you have to mix and use it. So you certainly, whatever target we have, 1 kg of onion, you easily get it. So this onion crop or any other crop which is grown and in the soil, the practices are same. Everywhere same practices. And you will find the magical change, you will find the drastic change. And continuous multiplication you can do it and see the changes. What you are getting and whatever you are getting with the chemicals, whether it is different or not. It is a total taste will be different, keeping power will be more. So total changes you will get. And if you are doing the organic, non-organic farming or chemical farming, so 50% dosage you have to reduce it. And everything what I have already told you, 5 kg of urea, DAP, MOP, you put in the liquid waste decomposer which is 30 days old, and that solution you use it in phases wise. As you are using in the split dose of the chemical, reduce it 5 kg, and this solution you have to give it and then see the changes. Your chemical requirement will reduce, uptake of the plant will increase, your total soil will be improved. Otherwise, if you are putting excess chemical, it will compact the soil, it allow the your water stagnation, and porosity is decreased, bacterial count will go down. But when you are using 5 kg each with the liquid waste decomposer, it will not die, it will remain there. You can test it, mix it 5 kg and test it. First you test after multiplying with the jaggery, put it this chemical and test it. You see whether things are there or not. It will increase, not will decrease. It will be always good. So that practice also you can do. For organic, I have told the practices. So these all are safe practices and there is no residual effect, no side effect. Thank you very much.